Hello! Welcome to the North Pole.
Hi guys, my name is Alycia, and this right here, this is my friend Tom. We ventured far, far away up here to the North Pole to show everyone back in Miss C's class, yes, that's you guys, how similar Santa's workshop is to the parts of a cell. Let's get started.
Here we are at our first stop, the gates to Santa's workshop.
Whoa, Tom, pause. Doesn't this gate remind you of anything?
Just the display at Macy's.
No, silly Tom, a plasma membrane. The gates let certain things into the workshop like magic and elves, but it also keeps the bad stuff from entering like non-believers and naughty children.
Just like a plasma membrane. Okay, I see. So the plasma membrane makes sure viruses don't intrude, ensures that nutrients that the cell needs can enter.
Just like the front gate of the North Pole, exactly. Oh, here comes Mrs. Claus now. Hola, señoritas, ¿cómo estás?
English, please.
English mode on. Hello, friends. How are you today?
We're doing good. My friend Alycia here is explaining to me how the North Pole relates to the structures of a cell.
Very good. Here comes my husband now. He will explain everything from here on out. I have to go make him a sandwich. You guys will learn there are a lot of similarities between the two here at the North Pole.
Hey kids, alright, so tell me what we're up to today.
We were just trying to figure out similarities between you and your workshop.
Yes. I overheard you guys talk about my wife about that. Since we're on the topic, you could say my wife could be the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton supports the structure of the cell to hold it together.
So what you're saying is that Miss Claus helps keep you sane?
That's right. Without her, Christmas would not be possible.
Since you're considered to be the main source of the North Pole, would you call yourself the nucleus?
Yes, little girl, you're very clever. Without me, the systems would all fail. I am the head of everything functioning here.
Oh, I get it. Just like the cells dependent on the nucleus.
Hey Santa, what is this?
Well, I'm just checking to make sure that you are on the nice list. Let's see. Naughty list. Miss T, Jen R, Jeff Locke, that kid that sits behind Alycia. Nice list. The kid in front of you, Tom. Tom, you're on here, next to Alycia. Very good. I have both of you on here. You see, the naughty and nice list, the vacuoles store whatever the cells need to be stored to function. Just like vacuoles, the list stores whatever information on the child to tell which list they are on.
Since it's Christmas, do you think you could just give us our presents now?
Sure. In fact, this could be another lesson for you. Yip, yip, chewy. Fetch these children's toys. While he is frolicking to get them, you see Chewy here would be an example of a ribosome. A ribosome makes protein just as an elf makes toys.
Okay, yeah, because a protein is a product of the cell, like a toy is the product of the workshop. Thank you, little ribosome.
Well, kids, if the ribosome just gave you your proteins, then what does that make you?
That makes sense because lysosomes benefit from ribosomes.
And we get the joy out of receiving gifts.
Speaking of receiving gifts, we have to get the reindeer suited up for flight. Would you like to come watch? Actually, there'd be another comparison. Come on, I'll explain more once inside. Take it away, Chewy.
Wait, I understand now. Since the reindeer are hooked up to the sleigh, wouldn't the sleigh be considered the endoplasmic reticulum? Because it's the highway of a cell. Just like Santa's sleigh is the highway to the world, where all the children are and people running around with Christmas spirit on streets across the world.
Which brings us to our last lesson for today, Christmas spirit. This is the powerhouse for the holiday. Having spirit in you makes you full of energy, much like the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse and stores all of the energy for the cell.
Bye-bye.
Bye, kids. Merry Christmas.